A KHJ TV editorial with the Manager of Public Affairs and Editorials, Elaine Walker.
If someone told you there was a simple diesel fuel additive that cuts down the smoke and pollution from trucks and buses, increases gas mileage, and cuts maintenance costs, you probably wouldn't believe it. That's exactly what seems to be happening with the California Air Resources Board. For the past 18 months, Councilman Richard Alatorre has been calling for the use of Omstar D-1280 X, a diesel fuel additive that has cut pollution dramatically in years of testing. Despite this, the Air Resources Board can't seem to find the time to do its own final testing, so the additive can be used throughout the Southland. We recently supported new air pollution regulations by the Air Quality Management District, including a plan to change cars and trucks to cleaner burning methanol. But a change like that could take decades. In the meantime, by encouraging or requiring the use of this fuel additive in trucks and buses, we could see immediate results. The best part is the tests showed it pays for itself in better gas mileage and lower maintenance costs. Los Angeles City is moving forward by calling for its use in city trucks and airport buses. We urge the Air Resources Board to get on the bandwagon and push up the tests on Omstar D-1280 X.
That was a KHJ TV editorial. We welcome requests to reply to our editorials from qualified community representatives with opposing viewpoints.